Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix there is not enough memory or disk space error on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of disk space issues error, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Here from the right side, go to storage, click on it, and here scroll down and make sure that storage sense is enabled. Click on a small arrow beside this and make sure that cleanup of temporary files duly checked and automatic storage sense duly enabled. And here you will also click on run storage sense now and follow on screen instruction to complete the storage sense. After that, check whether your disk space error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open File Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key. Open this PC and open C drive. Here from the list, scroll down and open users. Here go to your user folder, open it. Here go to app data. If you don't find app data here, then go to view and click on show hidden devices. Open roaming folder. Here scroll down and open Microsoft folder. Here scroll down and open templates. Open it and here click on vertical three dot and choose show and click on three horizontal dot and choose show. Hover the cursor on show and choose file name extensions. Here look for the file having extension name DOTM. Simply select it and choose rename. You may proceed with right click on it and choose rename. Click on it and rename this folder again dot old. Type the after extension name dot old dot old. A pop-up window will appear. Here, are you sure you want to change it? Click on yes. And after that, check whether your disk space uses error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, go to programs and features. Here, scroll down and go to Microsoft Office, select it and click on change and choose quick repair. How do you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? Choose quick repair and click on repair. After that, check whether your space issue error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Microsoft Word. Here from the top menu bar, go to Files from the top left corner and here go to More and choose Options. Here from the left side of available options, go to Add-ins and here from the bottom of the page under Manage, click on a small arrow and choose Word add-ins and click on Go. And if you have already added any Word add-ins, then simply select it and uncheck this option. Remove it. Means disable all add-ins added to your Microsoft Word. Click on OK. And the one more thing is same, go to same location, go to more options, add-ins, and here under manage choose COM add-ins. Click on go and make uncheck on the all these option add-ins available, disable add-ins from here and click on OK. After that, close the windows. Your problem should be resolved. That's all.